Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as the title said, today I'm here to talk about my hair and the products that I use in my hair. I get a lot of questions on my hair, so I just figured I'll do like a quick little video and just talk about the products that I use. As a quick backstory, I tried transitioning to natural hair last year. I think it lasted for close to a year, did not work out. Suffices to say, I have my perm. And my bottom line is, I just want to be able to comb my hair and just be able to handle my hair with as little breakage as possible. The transitioning thing did not work out for me. I couldn't style it properly. I didn't want to braid it. I was thinking about getting wigs. That never happened. So here I am. So I had uploaded a video a while back when I first started my channel. I was talking about my transitioning and the products I was using. A lot of those products I still use. And to preface this whole video, I have a love-hate relationship with my hair. I've always had long hair, so I'm used to it. I like it, but I hate the management and whatever. So I try to find products that will make my life as simple as possible. So I'm going to start off with the perm that I've been using, because once I decided I was going to go back to a perm, I started doing some research and I came up with this brand. Is the Mizani. This is the Butter Blend, and this is for sensitive scalp, and it really works wonderfully for me. I have very sensitive scalp. As soon as like the perm gets on my scalp, it'll start burning. With this one, it doesn't do that. I also feel like it doesn't get my hair bone straight. Like I already have, as you can see, thin hair, so I don't want my hair to be like bone straight. I still want a little body. I permed it, I would say, about 3 weeks ago, so it's still pretty straight, and I'll just hit the roots, like just the roots, and then I'll just do it like one time. I don't go over and over, and I'll just like massage it into my scalp, and then I'll wash it out. Once I wash it out, my shampoo. I'm still using my Camille Rose, the Ginger Rinse shampoo. I love this. I feel like it gets my hair so clean. And I think the conditioning of my hair starts with the shampoo. My hair feels very nice and soft and like well conditioned after I use the shampoo. My scalp just feels so clean and it smells amazing. Again, this is the Camille Rose and this is the Sweet Ginger. I usually get my Camille Rose products either from Target or my beauty supply store. And once I shampoo my hair, to me the condition is the most important part. And I love using a deep conditioner. And when I was transitioning from my perm, I discovered the Camille Rose, the Algae Renew Deep Conditioner. But I think this works better for that natural hair. It was great because I had a lot of new growth. It was great for that natural hair on top, not so much for the bottom. And so I switched out to a new deep conditioner. I've had it, but I didn't use it as much as I was using the Camille Rose. And this was a recommendation from my niece, and she has amazing natural hair. Her hair is so thick and so healthy. And it's the Macadamia Nut Oil, and this is their deep repair mask. And this has been my ride or die. This has been spectacular. It smells amazing. I usually get mine from Sally's, or a lot of the times I get it from Haute Look. They always have like great sales where sometimes you can get like 2 tubs and they'll give you it. It smells so good, along with like a hair oil. This is what it looks like. And what I'll do, I'll lather my hair with this, like root to bottom, like really lather my hair, and then I'll go under my plastic cap. And sometimes I don't get under the dryer right away, it just sits there. But if I get under the dryer right away, if I'm able to, I sit there no less than 45 minutes. My max is 45 minutes. Sometimes I'll do 50 minutes, but it's always no less than 45 minutes. And I feel it coats my hair. I think it protects it. It makes it so soft and so manageable, because my thing is I just want to get the comb through my hair and not have a lot of like fallouts and breakage. And I think that, this macadamia oil does an amazing job. I've heard other people talk about it, even people that don't have a perm, even people of different races always talk about this mask. I think it's fantastic. And then after I get out of the dryer, I'll comb it out first without water. I don't stand under the shower and comb this out. I like to section my hair and comb it out. It takes forever, but that's just, you know, part of trying to maintain my length and keep my hair healthy. And then after I comb it out, I'll just stand under the shower and I'll rinse it out. And then I'll comb it out again. And then after I'm done with that and I'm getting ready to dry my hair, I usually use my blow dryer to do that. I like to use a leave-in conditioner. And the leave-in conditioner that I love and still love is the Camille Rose, the coconut water leave-in conditioner. This also helps to detangle. It does say it's detangling hair treatment, and it works wonderfully for me. When I put this in my hair, I like squeeze quite a bit of amount. I'll rub it in my hands and I'll just do both sides, because at that point I usually section my hair so it's like this, and I'll just run it through my hair like that, and I don't comb my hair out after that, because my thing too, I don't like to manipulate my hair too much, because I feel when you have a perm, and I know a lot of people now have given up their perms, and if you still have a perm, you know once it gets wet, that's when it's the most compromised and that's when it's the most fragile. So I'll just run my hands through, I'll let it sit in my hair, and then I'll get ready to blow dry my hair. And to blow dry my hair, I'm still obsessed with my Chit. This is the Silk Infusion, and I love this as a heat protectant for my hair from the blow dryer. And I usually blow dry on medium heat, but still, I love this. It makes my hair, just like it says in Silk Infusion, it makes my hair so silky, so soft. And what I love about it, I feel it separates my strands very nicely, so it's not like clinging together and getting tangled. And let's say I take off a piece like this and I'm going to blow dry. I'll put a little bit of that. I'll put it on the section and I'll blow dry. So every little section, so I don't rub it through my whole hair. Every little section I pick up to blow dry, I'll put this on it. And then when I'm done blow drying, I do like to take my flat iron and just straighten everything out, and I'll rub a little bit more on. But at that point, I'll just pull it through my entire head. And this just works amazing for me. I just love the way, and even now you can still see how light and just silky my hair is, and I know it's because of that. And I think it's so good for your hair. And then after I'm done with all of that, I still use my oil, and this is black seed, olive oil, and rosemary. And I know it has this like green algae look, but this is so amazing. It's not heavy, but I don't use this every day. Like once I wash my hair and I put it in, maybe I'll use it the next week. Maybe I use it like once a week. Although it's not heavy, I still don't want like a lot of oils in my hair, because although I have dry scalp, because I do, I always have like little flakes here. But although I have dry scalp, my hair tends to get oily quickly. So I try to avoid putting, you know, like too much oils in it. And oh, I also forget to mention, I still have my rice water in my routine. I just don't use it every wash. And this might sound, I don't know, weird to some people, but for me, I don't wash my hair every week. I don't wash my hair every 2 weeks. I probably wash my hair like once a month, and I know that probably sounds like dirty, but for me, I just don't want to manipulate my hair too much. So after I wash my hair, I feel like in 2 weeks it's not dirty enough for me to start washing it again, and I'm combing again, because regardless, I don't care who you are, I think every time you comb your hair, you lose some kind of hair. Like I'll see hair in my car, hair in my room, hair on my carpet, and sometimes you don't even know it's coming out, but it is. Like every time you manipulate your hair, I feel it comes out. So I'm not one to wash my hair a lot, but I still use my rice water. And I spoke about my rice water in my first video I did on my hair, which was a while back when I first started my channel. It's just organic rice. You soak it for no less than 24 hours, and then you strain it and you use that water. And if you're a person, if you want like really fast hair growth, I recommend the rice water because that's what it does. And so my hair has grown a lot over, I noticed, like the past 3 months, and I get new growth very quickly with the rice water. So I do it like every other wash. I mean, I don't mind, but it gets complicated like when I have a lot of like new growth and then I have to comb through my whole hair. So I kind of like space it out because I get a lot of new growth when I use my rice water. So if you want any type of new growth, if you want your hair to grow quickly and be healthy, I would recommend the rice water. So yes, I still use rice water. I still swear by the rice water. So okay guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you found this interesting. If you have any questions about any of the products I use, I'm going to have everything listed in the description box. And again, I'm so grateful for all of you, for everybody that watch my videos and always have a nice comment. Thank you so much. And I'm going to see you guys again soon in another video. Bye guys.